Baroda Lions School, Alkapuri in Vadodara. Our project name is Smart ICU.
I am Malik Mohammed and we are from Baroda Lions School, Alkapuri. He is my partner Ansh Prajapati, she is Samya Ghashi. Basically, our project is about smart ICU system, and here we are describing about our ICU system and how can patient live freely in our ICU system. We are from Vadodara, Gujarat. Now we will tell you that what components we have used in our project.
The components for the project are Arduino Uno, breadboard, LM35, pulse sensor, IR sensor, DTH11, MQ135 buzzer, RGB LED, LCD display, relay module.
Now I will describe functions in it. First, patient's health will be monitored. In case of emergency, if patient is not able to call doctor and no caretaker is around, and because of abnormal condition of the patient, the buzzer will activate and inform the doctor. Third, patient will be under continuous supervision even in absence of caretaker.
Now I will explain its medical advantages. Continuous monitoring of patient's vital parameters, early detection of emergency conditions, reduces risk of sudden illness of patient, improves patient safety in the ICU.
Now what are time and response advantages? Instant alert during abnormal conditions, reduces delay in doctor and nurse response, automatic emergency action without any human delay.
It also has some cost advantages. They are as follows. Very low cost compared to commercial ICU systems, uses easily available components, affordable for small and rural hospitals.
Now I will describe the technical advantages. It is real-time data processing, also accurate sensor-based monitoring system, simple and reliable Arduino Uno controller, and easy to troubleshoot and maintain.
It also has staff support advantages. There are three advantages. Reduces workload of nurses, minimizes manual checking of vitals, allows staff to focus on critical conditions.
Now this project also consists of some social advantages. First of all, useful for rural and government hospitals, improves healthcare accessibility and life-saving system for low resource areas.
Expandability advantages can be upgraded to IoT monitoring, supports mobile app integration, future AI-based health prediction is possible, additional sensors can be added easily.
Now we will show you the prototype demo. Now here you can see that we have used Arduino Uno along with all the sensors required outside of the here basically the sensors we have used and some components. It is Arduino Uno, breadboard. These are the buzzers to inform, single child relay module. Here inside we have used DHT11 sensor, MQ135, LM35, IR sensor, heart rate system, along with the LCD system which is going to display the monitoring of the patient. Now right now we haven't added any patient, so it is monitoring manually. Here you can see what is the temperature of the room, AQI of the room, and temperature of the patient right here.
Our main motive is to...
Now we are going to tell that what is our main motive. The main advantage of our smart ICU system is real patient monitoring with instant emergency response at very low cost. At last, thank you for your consideration.